Hey guys, it's 7 a.m. and I just woke up, and right now I'm gonna pop into my workout that I planned yesterday. So it's written on this little paper, and yeah, I'm gonna do it and then I'll start my day. So I just finished my 40-minute workout and now I'm gonna foam roll so I can talk to you as well, because I feel like I need to update you on my gym routine. So the last time I went to the gym was probably in October 2017, so that's about 3 months ago. The thing is, my gym is in renovation right now, so it's closed from 6 to 8. And honestly, whenever I go after 8, it just messes up with the whole morning. That's why I've been working out at home. I really do prefer going to the gym, even if I do stuff that I could do at home, because I really feel a lot different in my mind. Working out at home is just as efficient. It's just, for me, it's a preference that I go to the gym. And I also have, sometimes I use the cable machine and a treadmill for my intervals, because at the moment it's so cold I can't even run outside. I still work out every day at home in the morning. So yeah, that's my update. Now I'm gonna finish foam rolling and I'll see you after. After working out, I like to wash off my face from the sweat. Just kind of put it in, and then I take a brush that I've been using for a couple of weeks now, like month and a half or something. Always dab your face, dab, so the water can penetrate. One of my intentions for the new year is to make meditation a daily practice. From what I've experienced from the past, meditation has helped me to focus more during my day. So I really like to start the day with it, and if I can't do it in the morning because I don't have time or whatever, I'll do it at night. But today I'm gonna do it now. I don't have a proper meditation thing. I just sit on my 2 blocks that I got for Christmas from my sister, and I like to use this app that's called Insight Timer. So basically you can see everywhere in the world who's meditating with you. They also have guided meditation, which is what I prefer at the moment. So I usually pick a 10-minute because I don't have time for more. So after all that, I'm finally ready to eat my breakfast, and it's ready in the fridge. Of course, it's overnight oats that I prepped yesterday. Put some oats, some chia seeds and cinnamon. I mixed it with boiling water and I put it in the fridge. I also have some frozen berries that I put in the fridge, so now they're just unfrozen. And I'm gonna add that and peanut butter. Yes. So here's my breakfast, and it's really feeling nourishing. Always have a tea. As you know, I'm a big tea girl in the morning. I try to put my phone away and my computer too. It's really hard, but it just distracts me from the food that I eat, and I'm not fully aware that I'm eating. So I really try to make the conscious effort to really not be distracted when I eat. Enjoy. So as you can see at the moment, I have weird stuff going on. I actually had a blackhead that I popped out. It did this scar, which is horrible. My biggest problem is that I touch my face all the time, and that's what kind of contaminates the skin and make those blemishes that I have. So when I have a foundation on, or when I have something on, I tend to not touch my skin as much. And I got a healthy one, very natural. I mean, it's not like the gold foundation, but it's doing the job, you know. It's hydrating my skin too. So day cream over my face. So in terms of what work do I do, what job do, I dedicate myself full-time to what I post on my blog, on my YouTube channel, Instagram, my ebook, and also developing more content. So in the morning, I mean at night, I write whatever I want to achieve the day after. I'm going to tell you what I want to do this morning. I need to answer all the emails that I haven't answered during the week, and I need to prep all the emails that I want to send like the beginning of next week. And then I have a recipe that I want to prep, to write it down, and I need to film it for Instagram. I want to write a blog post too. It's probably going to be lunchtime. And then in this afternoon, I need to actually study. I'm doing a yoga teacher training, so I'm going to be a half-time student this year. I'll also have a few things to go get at the groceries, and I'm going to show you a recipe too. Alright, so I'm going to stop talking and start working now. Let's go. So it is now 10:30, and I finished all the emails that I wanted to do. Just made myself a small espresso. It's a decaf. I don't really like decaf, but that's all I had. And I always drink a tall glass of water when I drink coffee, because coffee is dehydrating. Cheers. So this is how I film, if you're interested. I put something for the background. Then this is the basic tripod that I have, and in order to shoot overhead, I just turn it this way. I put the first one just shorter than the third one, and it kind of goes against the table. And yeah, this is what I do. Now it's setting in the fridge, so I need to wait to pursue the recipe. I'm gonna write my blog post now. So I just finished writing it, and here's a little snippet of it. Now I'm just doing the little Pinterest thingy that you can pin on Pinterest, on that website called PicMonkey. I'm pretty happy with how it is now. I'm gonna save it and pin it. Alright, so I don't have all my pastels, but I have 2 of them, which is a good start, let's say. First one is one that I ordered. I mean, both of them. This one is something I recently found. Love samples. This is a French brand. They make tea and they ship worldwide if you're not living in France. And I found it like walking around in Paris, and there was this pop-up store, and we tried this infusion called Légende d'automne, and that was so good. And I also am going to try this one, which is tarte rhubarbe. So sounds pretty good. So next is really exciting because it's my I herb order that I've been waiting for so long to write here 2 weeks ago. Okay, can't even remember what I got. Oh yes, my favorite coconut flakes, big flakes like these. This is a bit messy. I love to top my bowls with it. Cacao nibs,
I can find this in France, but it's way too expensive for like the price that I can pay online. Ooh, I forgot about that. Yes, I did order this. I wanted to try them for so long. Raw coconut meat, raw coconut water, raw and refined virgin coconut oil. Sounds pretty interesting, so I'll try these out and definitely will let you know. And finally, my probiotic. So the brand is Garden of Life, and I believe it's the same brand from my B12. I'm pretty sure it is. Sorry, I was looking at myself the whole way. Now it is almost 1 and I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna make some lunch. So I'm gonna make myself a big salad. So for that, I have some washed lettuce. I had half an avocado in the fridge. Now I'm gonna scramble some tofu, and this is fermented one. Fito, this brand. Fermented tofu is just easier on digestion. By the way, my hands are clean. In case you find this gross, I just washed my hands. I'm gonna add some rice that I have in the fridge. I'm gonna add some vegan parmesan that I made the other day. Now I'm adding some olive oil from Paxos Island that we brought from this summer. Apple cider vinegar, some mustard, Dijon of course, but we just have that kind of mustard in France. And then mixing that all together. I'm gonna go with my hands again, washing them. Makes it easier. Top it off with some salt. Dulce or dulce, how do you say that? I don't know. I just pour some. Oh, I'm gonna add... Wait, am I gonna add that? No, I'm not gonna add that. Okay. Oh, I am. I'm gonna add a few drops of lemon essential oil. Just gives a really nice taste to salads. So this is the salad. As you can see, it's big. It's like bigger than my face, just to show you that I do not just eat greens and like 3 leaves of lettuce. Yeah, I just love to eat salad for lunch because I can feel full but not feel stuffed. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm just gonna dig in. Simple meal, prepped in like 5 minutes, but healthy and yum. So I'm done eating and I'm done filming the other part of my recipe. This is what I made, and it's gonna be on my Instagram in a couple of days. So now I need to refrain myself from eating the whole thing because it tastes so damn delicious. That's gonna be my breakfast for tomorrow. Right now I'm going to edit this video that I just filmed, and I'm gonna start studying my yoga because I need to study. But that's not gonna be super interesting for you, so I think I'll catch you later when I go out and get the stuff that I need for the recipe that I want to show you. Right, so first I need to get comfortable vlogging in the stairs of my building. First up, I'm actually gonna go post my taxes. So this is where I go to. Alright guys, I could not film. There was too many people in the street because I went at like 5 p.m. Everyone was there grocery shopping in the shop. I could not put myself to film, and in the street it's so weird. Oh my gosh, I need to get better at this. Also, I totally forgot to tell you that I totally ate the whole thing that I prepped for Instagram this afternoon because I was super hungry at some point. So now I'm gonna wash my hands and I'm gonna show you the recipe. So in case you're wondering again what I'm making a golden chai powder mix that's gonna be instant. So I can put it in smoothies, I can put it in lattes, I can put it in oatmeal, whatever. It's like a powder that you can put everywhere. So these are all the spices. I have green cardamom pod. You're supposed to get the little tiny little seeds. Alright, so that might take a while. 6:30. I lost track of time. 6:30. And I'm not so hungry yet because I ate, as I mentioned, the whole thing at like around 3 or 4. But I'll still have dinner. I'm just not gonna start to cook it yet. So I might just read a little bit more of my yoga thing and just clean up the mess that I just did filming with the spices. Hey again, I feel like this video is just gonna be me saying hey and bye and hey. Alright, so I'm finally making dinner. I don't want something super heavy, so I've just cooked 1 small eggplant, a few mushrooms, 2 tomatoes, 1 shallot, and that's all. And I've cooked that with no oil, just water a little bit. And now I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of paprika, and a little bit of salt. Ah, it's stuck. I'm gonna mix that. Cover. So I'm gonna let this cook for about 15 minutes, just the time that I have to take a shower, and then it'll be time to eat. And here's my dinner. I think I'm gonna end the video here because I have nothing much more to show you. I mean, after dinner I'm going to probably do a little bit of yoga and stretching. That's my day. I have no idea if that was interesting at all. I always try to prioritize exercise in the morning, otherwise I have no time to do it if I don't do it first thing first. Let me know if you enjoy this, and I'll see you guys very soon.